In this DIY project, I'm going to replace this regular duplex outlet with this combination duplex outlet and USB charger. Please note I'm not an electrician. Do this project at your own risk. If you're not comfortable or not sure, please hire an electrician. Thanks for watching.
First step is to find your breaker panel and turn off the breaker to ensure there's no power at your outlet. After turning off the breaker at the panel, I have this tester to check that there is no power. Next step is to remove the outlet cover and the outlet. Here we're loosening the screws to remove the old outlet from the wires. Here I'm just straightening out the wires. With the old outlet, it had screws where you would wrap the wire around. For the new outlet, it's just bars where you want the wires to be straight. Now we're installing the new outlet. ground wire to the green screw. Then we have the black or hot to the brass screw, and the white or neutral wire to the silver screw. On the first try, it just discovered that when they cut the panel, they cut it a little too small. So now I'm just going to go find some spacers. Here's some of the spacers that I had on hand, just installing a couple to bring the bottom side of the outlet out to be flush with the cabinet. Now with the spacers installed, the outlet will be flush with the outside of the cabinet. Now we'll go back to the circuit breaker panel and turn on the circuit breaker. If all is good, it should stay on. If it doesn't stay on, then you have a short somewhere. with the handy tester, it'll tell you with the corresponding lights whether you have everything connected properly. Here I'm just adding the USB cable to check with the iPad whether charging is happening on the USB port. Here is a box showing the brand of the combination outlet which I installed. This concludes this DIY. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks again for watching.